These little pieces of plastic, they're such fun to use when you can, and then all of a sudden they expire or they're no good anymore. But let's do something and make one useful. Well, first off, we have a card here. It has a magnetic strip on the back, and some say that you're supposed to cut your card in half and destroy it so they can't get the information off the magnetic strip. Well, we're going to cut it anyway. And again, some of them may have a chip on them. Now you can peel the chip off if you want, or again destroy the chip or destroy the whole card, but then you won't be able to do anything with it like I'm going to show you. So first off we do is we're going to do a diagonal line. Like so. And then we're going to cut that. And coincidentally we cut through the magnetic strip, so all is good. Now we'll work a line 90 degrees from here. So using the end of the ruler, let's just make a mark. Using the end of the ruler as your 90 degrees, thereabouts. Draw a line down. Now it's only a guideline more than anything else. Now next up, using a little cigar lighter, butane lighter, we heat it up a lot, pretty much around the line, and then we're going to bend it 90 degrees. So a little wooden block here with a little lighter. Just fold it on the line and then hold it in place. Now it may be a little bit warm to the touch, but it shouldn't be too warm that it'll burn. Don't melt it too much or you may get a little burn off it. And if you wish, you can wear a pair of gloves. I'm happy enough to do it this way. Leave it for a few minutes. Cooling down already. And there we have it. Now you can do the same with the other one in your leisure. Next I'll show you what we're going to use this for. Okay, so here we have the car now. It's been sitting up for a couple of years and it's gotten quite grubby. And you can see all this little bit of moss that's grown. Now it's grown in between the actual chrome strip and the glass. And if you try to clear that with a screwdriver or something, you're liable to damage either the strip or the glass. But with this, we can just get it in there and just rub away. And it won't damage anything. And the end, you can use the pointy end. It's rigid enough to get a grip on something. So when you've washed it or wet it down, you can actually use the flat end or the flat side to scrape along and get all that little bit of extra out there. Now you can see there there's some, it's dried in. Again, we can use it at a different angle and drag it across like so. And again, as I said, when it's wet, it'll do the job nicely. So you have another corner you can use, another corner you can use. Again, it's not sharp enough to cut any of the rubber or to damage any of the rubber, and it's not really rigid enough or sharp enough to damage your trim or paintwork. So do be careful with your paintwork. Well, I hope you found this useful. Drop a comment, like, share and subscribe, and you can find us on the usual social media platforms.